Zara, tell me about your family.
I'd love to. Where should I begin?
Well, I have a small family. My mother is a teacher, and my father is an engineer.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
I have one younger brother. He is 12. He is funny and very energetic.
Me. Let me tell you about my family. My parents run a small bakery.
That's wonderful.
I have two sisters. One older, one younger.
Do you live with your grandparents too?
You know, I've lived here for a while now.
Are you close with them?
Yes, we are very close. We talk every day.
On weekends, we eat together as a family.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Family time is the best.
Same here. Family time is important.
Talking about family is easy. Just speak simply.
Right. Just say who they are and what they do.